Thank you for taking your time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. We are now finally situated into our new headquarters here in Upland, California. After this quick introduction, I'd like you to take a tour with us so you can see our whole facility, all our capabilities and qualifications. At National Gear Repair, we strive on doing rebuilding and reconditioning and gear manufacturing. We do everything and anything for the industrial mechanical power of transmission, including rotating equipment such as gearboxes, industrial blowers, all types of rotary pumps, and so forth. So this is my brother Eric Clark,
Hi.
Vice President, my brother Peter Clark, Secretary. I am the CEO. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. All work at National Gear Repair is warranted for 24 months from the date of startup. So thank you, and come please take a tour with us. And here is our front entrance, our main lobby at National Gear Repair. We'd like you to take a quick visit, a quick tour, and you can see here on the back here, we are Timken bearing certified. We are Falk school certified. All mechanics are certified through Falk, and we are now happy to announce that we are Gleason school certified out in Chicago. All mechanics and technicians have passed this course, and we now have the capabilities to cut all types of gears, even spiral bevel gears here in-house. So please continue to take a quick tour of our new facility, and we'd love to hear from you.
Yes, of course, all types of gearboxes. Nationwide. We specialize in rebuilding, reconditioning.
Thank you again for continuing to watch our video here. Shortly, we'll take you into our manufacturing facility, and you'll see all our applications. But I wanted to take the time out here and just describe something unique about National Gear. National Gear Repair offers free freight, free quotes, nationwide. So if you happen to have a gearbox or a blower or a pump, something that you may have on the other side of the country, National Gear Repair is now operating out of 3 locations in the United States. No matter where you're at, we have you. The Southeast, the Midwest, and the West Coast. We offer free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. Regardless if you give us the approval or not, we will quote this equipment out for you free of charge. Hopefully we'll get the approval and begin repairs immediately. Once our repairs are completed, standard warranty comes 24 months from the date of startup. So if I happen to do a gearbox repair for you, your warranty actually starts when you put it in production. Not while it sits on a shelf or not while it leaves a plant like some of our other competitors. But here at National Gear Repair, all work is warranted for 24 months from the date of startup. So again, another few minutes and we'll show you our facility. Thank you. Please continue our tour. We're now at our manufacturing side. Of our H-frame press, 150-ton H-frame. That's a 100-ton H-frame. That is our gear tracker to pick up any helix angles that's needed to ensure that our gear manufacturing is done perfectly. Here is our G&E gear hopper. One of our larger lathes. One of our industrial parts washers. This is our horizontal boring mill for any line boring that's needed, any testing to our gearboxes. One of our Morosiki lathes. This is one of our large Bullard lathes that we do all our machining and BTL. One of our large pending gearbox repairs that we're doing. One of our large Sterling extruder gearboxes we're doing for one of our clients on an emergency rush basis. We manufactured all new gearing, and we are now doing our reassembly process. Here's some of our gear. See how bad this gear was? Horrible shape. The workstation for our mechanics. Hi! So, thank you for taking your time to watch the videos here. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And understand that National Gear Repair can repair any style, any type of gearbox that you may have. Anything in the rotating application that has failed, we can repair it for you. I can manufacture all inner components, new shafts, new gears, line boring and housing, repair shaft seal areas, metal spray and regrind, and know how to set our bearing floats and preloads perfectly. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.